How to block someone on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the search bar you see there at the bottom and then search for the individual whom you want to block. Once you have opened their profile, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for block in the menu that appears. Tap on the block option and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the block option, and if you want to block and report the person, then tap on the block and report option, and with this, that particular individual will be blocked from your Instagram. So, this is how you can block someone on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.